Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how you can band a pellet. So what you'll need is a pellet band. I have one here, and I have this hair rigged to my hook, so you can get these pre-packaged. You don't have to do them yourself. You can also add the hook, just nick the band through the hook. You can also do it that way. So what you'll need to band it is a pellet bander, and what this does is you push it in and you expand it, and that allows you to get the pellet in. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm just going to put it through here, open up the band, and then just put the pellet in, and then release the mechanism and just pull it out, and there you have the pellet on the band. So once the pellet is added to the band, you can then throw a few hook baits over the top of where you're fishing, and you can also throw in some micro pellets as well, and that will just attract the fish in and hopefully bring them to your hook bait. Right, I'm into my first fish. It's only a tiddler. Just caught on a little banded pellet, and we have a tiny, looks like a little crucian carp or an F1, little baby crucian.